space.
One on the top, and one in the under.
One on top and one under. That's yeah.
So it's occupying one space.
That's right.
But the main livelihood is fishing, right? Yeah, because under the sea by Nick.
So, how's the fishing? Is it good? Fishing's good.
But sometimes no good. Sometimes no good. Good. No. Kaya yung makakaos ka din kung ano sa aga, mag-ano ka munin parang matuturoan ka munin pag unong ka munin pag wedding and pag ano kung makapunta ka mo doon para pag ano nin gibunin ano with bracelet na for export.
It's not done yet, right? We can still have some tomorrow.
Yeah, we'd have to. I mean, I don't know where we're at with it. We'd have to find out when we get back. But yeah, absolutely.
Bisin mapamangkin ito ni ng losing asa. Pirmi kang kasana ng losing dati. Hindi mo na tandaan to estudyante ito dito.
Batch 81.
Batch 81 anong batch ka ano sa
taga dito.
Oh, bubok.
Taga dito.
84 ka?
Oh.
Saan talagang pamangkin mo yan?
May magpipinsan kami
Ah, okay.
Wow.
sa Encarnacion.
So,